Welcome to the 15th day trading challenge or the system trading challenge. So this is Nifty's chart and this is where Nifty opened today. It would be looking so similar to yesterday's chart, okay? Yesterday also it was almost the same thing, full sideways and then but today there was a small difference. So what happened was actually Nifty went down after opening and then it made like a straight jump towards upside. Then again up down all the like full day my delta trades did not work because there was of course no move, and only one delta trade worked, that was towards the end. Okay, but let me like go further into the video and tell you how it actually didn't end up working in terms of PNL. So let's measure the Nifty from the center point. So this I assume should be the center point. Okay, so Nifty like it went up like 0.3% and then it again went up 0.2, 0.3%, came down to zero and then again closed 0.2% up. Similar is the chart with Bank Nifty and almost similar charts with Fin Nifty. After 15 o'clock, there was like every index it gave upside movement. Okay, but the problem is, let me share the problem. The problem is that my uh, Nifty premiums, especially everything it started to move up after 15 o'clock, especially Fin Nifty. Okay, so actually Nifty opened at 108 premium and it closed at 96 or 98 rupees if you think like that. So that's all only 10 points, 10 points decayed throughout the day. Okay, so let me show you Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was almost like 325 to 275. So almost 50-point decay in Bank Nifty. And Fin Nifty, it was only 5-point decay throughout the day. Okay, I traded Fin Nifty because the coming Friday is a holiday. So I was expecting a much better decay in Fin Nifty, but it didn't happen. Okay, so let me start the server again and let me show you how my PNL behaved throughout the day. So this is my bot and let me call my MTM. Till the time it's coming, let me show you my PNL. So my PNL for the day is minus 100 rupees. So luckily yesterday I had said that my win streak is going on and I expect the win streak to be broken today or tomorrow, that is on Wednesday. So it did break and thankfully it didn't break with a huge loss. Okay, so another funny thing which I always wanted to show you guys is like why investing is also not bad. Okay, so this is the Nifty chart and this is where on 31st of March Nifty closed, that is 17,360. So let us measure from 17,360 till now how much return has it given. So till now it has given 2.62% of return, right? And this is there with like every day's data is fed into this. Okay, today is minus 100 rupees a share. So my absolute return is only 1.93%. So I cannot beat this benchmark index by margin, and so that is why I d- I do SIP in all these things. Like every day I just put some money here. Okay, and my holdings, actually it gave me like close to 500 600 rupees today on my holdings. So yeah, M2M chart has come and as you can see, like till here the market was sideways and this was the up move that we saw, and then we saw the down move because in the up move none of my call stop losses were taken. So when the down move happened, my PNL started to go up. Okay, and this was around 15 o'clock. Okay, and from here my PNL started to come down because of the premium spikes that I had shown. So let's hope for a better day tomorrow. Tomorrow is expiry, and if today's market condition prevails in tomorrow's expiry day also, so in that condition, I'd be hoping close to 1.5% return. So thank you for staying with me, and till tomorrow, take care of yourself. Bye bye.